Welcome to my channel. Today, I will share a video tutorial on factory resetting the Huawei P30 Pro smartphone. To fix various problems on the Huawei P30 Pro smartphone or want to sell it, you must do a reset to factory settings. For how to reset on Huawei P30 Pro, watch this video until the end. First, open the Settings menu on your Huawei P30 Pro. Scroll down and tap the System option. Next, tap the Reset option. Then select Reset Phone. Then tap the Reset Phone button. Confirm by tapping Reset Phone once more again. Now, you wait until the factory reset process is complete. Once done, you can use your Huawei P30 Pro smartphone like new again.